Today we're going to show you how to summarize an Excel file that's stored in your OneDrive using Copilot. I'm Kelly from the 365 Training Hub. Let's jump into OneDrive now. We need to access OneDrive online. I always go to office.com and sign in with my Microsoft account. I'll go up to the waffle and from here I can navigate to OneDrive. Remember, OneDrive is for your personal files. This is your personal storage space. It's OneDrive for one person and that's you. No one will see these files unless you choose to share them. It's easy to navigate if we use this little icon here to open up the navigation pane and go to My Files. Now we're actually in your OneDrive storage space. I'll jump into my folder here and I want to analyze this sample data file. You won't see the Copilot icon until you click the file, and then you've got some options here. We can create an FAQ, ask a question. Let's try to summarize. So that took about a minute and it wasn't huge data, maybe 4 columns, maybe less than 100 rows, but it means I did get a quick summary of that file without even having to open it. And what I like here is that I can continue to ask further questions to get further insights. So we're the 365 Training Hub, proudly based in New Zealand. No matter where you are in the world, our webinars are just a click away. Get in touch with us today. Our training is suitable for everyone, everywhere.